Hello, here I'm demonstrating how to use the pairwise comparison function in Human Epigenome Browser. The pairwise comparison allows you to compare two groups of heat map tracks. So in order to use that function, you can find this control panel by scroll down the page and find the tab Statistics and Analysis. Click on it. I can find the tab Pairwise Comparison. Click on it, you will find its control panel here, its interface here. So the pairwise comparison is for comparing two groups of tracks. So this is the first group, and this is the second group. In order to add tracks to this first group, you can just click on this Add button within the box of the group 1. So click on it. A new panel will appear showing all the genome heat maps heat map tracks being displayed in the genome heat map. You can click on or check the track, and its background color will turn into a field color, and this track will be added to the group 1 area. If you click on it again, this track will be removed. So this is a very simple way to add tracks to either of the group. In order to remove to clear, you can just click the clear button, and all the tracks will be cleared. So let's start by selecting some random tracks, and so this group 1 contains MRE tracks measured in the unmethylated CpG sites, and group 2 contains 3 random mid-seq tracks measuring the methylated DNA, and then I can just hit the run button, and now you see a new track appears below the genome heat map, showing the log ratio from the pairwise comparison between these two group tracks. So you see there's two colors here. Whenever the average value from the group 1 tracks is bigger than the average value of group 2, the log ratio will be positive, and vice versa will be negative. Alright, and you can still zoom in to see the details. So you see many gray bars appear here. It's because the value of the group 1 is 0, and so in this case the ratio is 0, and it cannot get a log value on the track. So if you right click on the pairwise comparison track, you will find the 3 options. The first option allows you to configure the rendering style of this track. You can similar as the other quantitative tracks in the Human Epigenome Browser, you will be able to configure the plotting color using the 2 color blocks here. You can change it into another color here, but right now you cannot define the gray color, the void values here, and still you can change the scale by using all the options here. So all this has been explained in the heat map track configuration section. Alright. One convenient way to select tracks for the pairwise comparison is to use the context menu on the genome heat map. So let's here turn the comparison off and clear all the track selection. So here, suppose I'm going to, so here by default I have two histone marks being displayed here, and I want to compare these two histone marks. So this first one H3K9 trimethylation, and the second one H3K4 trimethylation. So you want to compare this first two groups. I can simply do that by right-clicking on the color block in the metadata color map. This and by right-clicking on it, and all these tracks will be highlighted for selection. And you can find additional option here in the context menu. It prompts me to assign this group of tracks to either group 1 or group 2 for pairwise comparison. This option only appears if you have the pairwise comparison interface opened. So if you navigate to another interface, so for example, if I open the correlation interface, and then I right-click on the color block, this option disappears. So you have to be here and be able to assign this group of tracks. And I click 1, and this group of tracks will be placed in the group 1 area. And do the same for the H3K4, the other histone mark. Put them to group 2. Alright, so I have all these tracks in place. And here, I'm clicking the Run Pairwise Comparison option here. Additionally, you can simply right-click on the genome heat map, and you'll find the same option. You can assign single tracks to the group. Alright, so this is a way to use pairwise comparison. One of the very powerful option in the Human Epigenome Browser is that you can get a genome snapshot of your comparison. So right-click on when you have the pairwise comparison already running, and right-click on the log ratio track, you will find the genome snapshot option, which used to be called the bird's eye view. Same meaning. Select on it, wait for a few moments, and you can get a new panel hovering above the page. This, you can see the comparison has been done across the whole genome and be displayed in this new panel here. So I just show you how to work, how to use it, and this details will be explained in the bird's eye view section. Thanks.